Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix slow Wi-Fi or connection drops on DOOGEE smartphone. Okay, so let's launch the settings on our device. Now let's go straight into System and Reset Options, and let's reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings. Simply click on the reset button and also mobile network settings. I also need to confirm by joining my screen lock. Now all we need to do is to re-enter the password into our Wi-Fi that we are using, and as a last thing, simply if you have typed your password, retyped your password, you can also restart your router, and as a last thing you should restart your device and everything should start working properly. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.